Welcome to learn Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn data validation. Okay, let's see what we discuss in this section. In this section we are going to learn simple data validation, create drop-down list by data validation with a specific list of values, data validation with stored values, and advanced data validation. Okay, now let's start with simple data validation. Okay, so we need to know what is data validation and what is its purpose, why we use data validation. When we want to enter any specific data or range of data as input in a cell, then we have to validate our data by data validation option in Excel. Let's start with simple data validation. Okay, for example, we want to enter a name and your age in two different cells. In name cells, you will only allowed 30 maximum 30 characters to write in these cells, and in age cells you only allowed age 18 to 45. If you enter anything without this range of data, it shows error or shows some information, or you can show that information is required in this field. Okay, so let's go to directly Excel and we will learn how this is work. Okay, here is our Excel. So in name field, when you click, look about this information. This information told you that text length is maximum 30 characters. I will show you how you will add this information, and if you enter here more than 30 characters like John Carter Hero, it will not allow you to write more than 30 characters in these cells. This is called data validation. We can select the maximum number you can write in this cell, and in your age field it shows the information, please input between 18 to 45, and if you want to input here 50, okay, then it shows invalid data, please input between 18 to 45. Okay, let's see how we can do it in a cell. Okay, in name field, go to data, then click data validation, and here in setting option you need to select text length between. We select here, you can at least write 2 character and maximum 30 character here. What is your input message? The input message is for your information, text length is maximum 30, which I show you earlier, and when you enter any wrong except this validation, this range of data, then the error message is come like this. You can customize and write anything here. I use here only maximum character is 30, then click OK. You are done. And in age cells, go to data, then data validation, go to settings, select whole number, that is you can only write down in this cell only number. You are not authorized to write any other character except number. and in between only you can enter here 18 to 45 as age range, and same the input message and also same your error alert. Then okay, so this is so simple and easy. I hope if you have any other question or if you feel any difficulty to doing it, please comment in below and I will help you to resolve it. Okay, thank you for your time. Goodbye.